All right, welcome back, folks. So, this is the final episode of the DIY fabrication mechanics creeper build. So, full disclosure, I don't know how to do upholstery. So, judge me, don't judge me, whatever. My first time. But anyway, we'll show you what we got here. There it is. It's pretty much a done deal. Only thing I got to do is fasten the headrest to the frame. So, anyway, we went with a faux alligator skin. It is faux, so all you animal rights folks, don't worry. This is marine grade vinyl. It's not actual skin. But looks really damn good. So at some point, I think I'm going to go to the community college and take a couple classes on doing upholstery and a few other things. So as far as fabrication goes, anyway, so what we got is our mechanics creeper. The wheels are centered, so you can pivot by adjusting your body weight this way or that way and be able to turn it. So those are pneumatic tires, easier to roll over, stuff like that. So my dad has a gravel driveway, and he needs to be able to get under his motorhome and his pickup and what have you. So put some fenders on there so we don't get our fingers pinched or our shirt or coat caught in the tires or the axle. And then I put these little 2-inch solid casters on down here, and that is so you can pick this thing up by the handle. By the way, speaking of the handle, so we're going to get this mounted, but it's not yet. You can grab it right here, headrest, handle, grab it, and then you can just walk with it, roll it right along. So I'd say this thing turned out pretty good. This is all hand built, hand formed, and I think it's pretty damn nice. One thing I did was I tapped these holes 1/4 so this is threaded, and I just lopped off the excess so it's flush mount. Same thing with the bolts holding those casters in. And we've got some good 2-inch thick padding. So look at that design. Well, thanks for checking this out, folks. And if you're interested in seeing the full build, it's a couple of separate videos on my channel. So go check those out. Let me know what you think. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.